Hey there, and we're back. So I got everything ground down evenly. So this is like what I call the grinding stage. So we're done first phase, and I gave it a blow. And as you see, the only thing you see are just the seams that have been filled. Those are not going to be seen whatsoever because it's the type of putty that I chose for matching color. For when stain hits it, should blend in perfectly. So anyways, at this point, before I do any more sanding, I want to make sure I take care of any voids that I think that are not going to come out at this stage. Smaller ones, by the time I break this edge and whatnot later on, you're not going to see it. So in this case, I'm going to take off, say, 4 pieces of tape. I usually put them on my fingers. And I go down, just missing that. Again, like a ½ inch. And if I want to be precise, I'll actually just go like this. Oh, I'll use this end here. Okay, so we're going to go put that one there. Okay, so that will get rid of that. Put one there. That will be good there. Put one there. Actually, I'll change that for this one here. Okay, so right there. Press that down. Right, it has to be nice and tight, right? And I'm going to put one down here, just below that line there. Okay. So now, in this case, I'm just going to grab my putty knife. In this case, right. So I'm going to get some putty on my knife. Now, when I do this, you want to work into the miter, okay? Like away from the miter into the piece. Okay, so I'm just going to put some on there. You kind of push it into that, right on that. And then you're going to finish it off by putting a little bit of pressure and then pulling it down, keeping that 45. Now, a little bit proud, right? And you want to also have a little bit of proudness where the void was. So right when it's wet, just take off your tape, just watch it come apart, and you want to pull away from the piece, okay? And when you do that, you're just left with that little piece. Right? If you want, you just give it a little pat, okay? That kind of pushes it in. We're fine on this side. I'm pretty happy with that. If you can just pull that down just a little bit. Okay, and yeah, let that dry, and then it's just on our next. I'll do that too all the way around. Make sure that this is going to be looking good, and then I'll start sanding the next phase. So I'll see you then.